Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Mari from Best RV in Torrey, California. Today we're presenting the best deal, brand new 2025 Dutchmen Aspen Trail 29 TB, only for $29.99. Look what you're getting for $29.99. Power tongue jack, power stabilizer jack, 200-watt roof solar panel on the roof, and come with a big outdoor kitchen. You have the big fridge and a kitchen. And again, not just outside shower, it has a hot and cold with a sink and a big fridge right there. A lot of cabinets. In the rear, we have the endless hot water heater, spare tire on the cover, a rear camera, as well leopard expandable ladder. Beautiful 14-foot slide out in the back. Has a slide toppers, $29.99, and come with the slide toppers. I could not believe this deal. As well, it has the pass-through storage in the front with a 200-watt solar panel. As you see, it comes with it. Everything comes with this unit at the special of $29.99. The beauty about this unit is first, it's come with a 14-foot slide out, where's the dinette and the sofa on the slide. And this slide out is a flush floor. As you see, it's a flush floor as here. And when you are sitting on this sofa or you're sitting on this dinette, is everybody could watch the TV with no problem, because the TV, you could put any size, like size 40, 50 TV, whatever TV you like. Come with a fireplace, but while I'm sitting in the sofa, as well the dinette is, I could watch the TV, as well in the kitchen. Now, what I like about this area is I have this hidden shelf. Plus, I have walk-in closet. I could stand in this closet if I want to. I could hang clothes. I could add more shelf. There's more shelf here, so it's plenty of room for the family for their stuff. Now, facing the sofa and the dinette, you have a full kitchen where you're getting the 11 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt, and no worries, you have 200-watt solar on the roof. As well, we have the microwave right here, closets, light, fan, and then we have a 3-burner range with an oven underneath it, big sink, as you see, and a lot of doors. So it's very nice, roomy, huge sink, and then there's the big prepping area next to between the sink and the stove. Walking from here, I have a nice pantry, or again another closet. I could use this closet for hanging clothes for my kids on the bunk room. But this is the beauty why 29 TB. Everybody give you bunk model, but all these bunk models is open to the living room. So when you go to send the kids to sleep, you gotta be hush because the kids are gonna wake up. But the beauty about this one, you have a solid door, so you have a separate room with 2 double beds. Come with a ladder. You could see I'm going to the top. I could lay down. Beautiful, and there's even light here too. And I could lay down with no problem. Sleep 2 kids or big 1 adult, no question asked. I have my own window. I own my closet as well. There's a room underneath. And in that corner, it come with a shelf. I could put a TV in the corner. So everybody, when they lay sitting here in their bed, they could watch the TV. But the main important on this floor plan is you could shut down the door and the kids go to bed, and is so silent for them, more privacy for you. So you could sit in your living room, eating, watching game, watching TV, and you have no problem. And as you see, it's easy to get in. There's a bed in the top, bed at the bottom, and all is full storage underneath. And from here, we have typical Dutchmen Aspen Trail, solid medicine cabinet, sink, counter, toilet, and standing shower with a big elbow, as you see. And from there, on the front of the unit, I have the solid walk-around bed with the privacy. You can see there's a privacy door. And then I have a closet in the back, additional to the closet in the center. The closet doors. There's a TV hookup right there. I could put a TV on the wall if I want to. And I could sleep 2 people here for privacy. There's a storage underneath for blankets, pillows, and so on. And there's a big shelf and both closets on the side. So this is the brand new 29 TB. It's a 2-bedroom, perfect for family and kids. Give you privacy for your kids. You could sleep them in their own room, and the parents could sleep in the front in their own room. And it's very roomy and amazing. Best RV has this unit on limited offer only for $29.99.